Junior C. Jared, you know, I say you last year or anything. What do you say? I don't think I did. I said. What class?
Junior C. Okay, what name? Piper.
So it looks like you might go this way, over this little hill. You see the arrows over there? To the right, so you go over there.
I love you, Uncle. Let's try to go. Let's try to go.
They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Take your hand, my dear.